we are going to be talking about the 5 ways we can improve our ability as a server. The first way we can improve ourselves as a server is increase the range. Okay? So right now, if we're on the service line and we're just focusing on hitting a right-handed serve or a left-handed serve, no spin, okay? We don't have that wide of a range. Therefore, we are not demanding a high level of footwork from the serve receiver. But if we practice now hitting better right-handed serves and left-handed serves, and even learn to put spin on the ball, such as the cut serve, now we can increase our range. And the more we increase our range, the more footwork it demands of a serve receiver. So now I'm here, instead of having that small window that they need to cover, they now need to cover here to there. Much larger window. The second way we can improve our ability as a server is increase the variety. So now, what went from just being a left-handed cut serve and a right-handed cut serve, I can now hit a jam serve or a drop serve, or as I now go to hit my lefty cut, I hit a lefty reverse. Or as I go for a right-handed cut serve, I hit a right-handed reverse. The more points, i.e. the more variety I have as a server, the harder the demand for a serve receiver. Because now I'm not just testing their footwork with my range, I'm also testing their touch with having to be aware of so many different points that I can hit. The third way we can now increase and improve our ability as a server is power. How quickly can I hit the ball towards these points? So now when I'm hitting my cut serve, am I just using my wrist? Or can I now hit it so hard that the ball from here to there is so quick, it demands both footwork and a high level of touch from the serve receiver. And so now I can be a great server even if I take away some of these points and I just have less variety or maybe even less range, but I have fantastic power. The fourth way that we can now improve our ability as a server is decrease our trigger time. So now when I'm here at the service line, I could hit a right-handed serve, and then I come back and hit a left-handed serve. How quickly can I do this? Because the quicker I can go from hitting a right-handed serve, or look like I'm hitting a right-handed serve, to then coming back and hitting a left-handed serve, the higher amounts of footwork I'm demanding from the serve receiver. The fifth and final way we can now improve our ability as a server is consistency. It's all good and well having a really wide lefty or a really wide righty or having a reverse every now and again, but if you can't land it when it's needed, it's not as useful. Okay? I've been aced by many contender players because everybody can hit a really good serve now and again. But do they hit it again and again? No, because that's the difference between contender players and pro players. Your serve percentage is so important. So not only are you trying to increase your range, trying to add more variety, trying to now increase the power, okay? Trying to decrease the trigger time, we are also trying to always increase our consistency. Now, a real key that we need to understand about serving is that it's a game of progression. We as an athlete are here when we first start. We then learn something. And right now, when we learn something, our ceiling increases. And if we only ever learn things, but we don't practice them, then we just keep on getting our ceiling higher and higher. So this is our ceiling, our very best ability. This is our floor, the very worst ability we have, okay? If we do this, we now become very inconsistent as an athlete and as a server. Because right now we're increasing our ceiling, but we're not focusing on our floor. Instead, if we're now here as an athlete, but the only thing we ever do is focus on our floor, we never push our ceiling, we're going to be consistent, yeah, but it's at a very low level. Because our ceiling hasn't risen, we're just here. We're just doing boot bonds all day. We can hit it every time, but we're just doing boot bonds. But now once we're learning a cut serve, inconsistency is going to rise, but we now can hit a cut serve sometimes, but the consistency is not there because we haven't practiced it. And so, as an athlete in sport, and now as a server in Roundnet, it is a constant balance of ceiling, floor, ceiling, floor, ceiling, floor.